If your iPad says storage almost full, this is a very common issue and it can slow everything down or even stop you recording or saving video. Now, the best way to deal with this isn't one big fix, but several small ones that quickly add up. And if you're getting something useful from this, please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps. First, go through and delete old videos. These take up the most space by far, and removing just a few can free up a huge amount. Next, remove photos you don't need, especially duplicates or burst shots. It's surprising how many copies build up over time. Also, check your apps. Some apps store data in the background, so deleting ones you don't use can instantly free up space. And don't forget your browser. Clearing website data and cookies can also make a difference. When you combine all these small steps, you can free up a significant amount of storage without anything complicated. It's just a quick tidy up, and your iPad should run much more smoothly again. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.